Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm going to show you guys the top 3 oversold stocks that has the potential to bounce back and have a lot of growth in the future. If you're confused about what oversold stocks means, that means these companies are selling off at a very fast rate, which undervalues the company. That means more people are selling this stock than people are buying it, which drives the price down. So when a company is undervalued, that might be a good time for us to come in and swoop up a couple of shares while we can get it at a discount. So that's what oversold stocks mean. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I find these large cap oversold stocks in this video that has the potential to bounce back and make us a lot of money in the future. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. With those 2 free stocks, you could keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you could sell those 2 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Also, I left a link to Coinbase down in the description. That's by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are on my Webull account. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set up the screeners to find these oversold stocks. I already have a setting set up, but I'm going to walk you through it right quick so you can find it on your own. All you have to do is in the Webull app is click more. We're going to click more right there on the right hand side. And then right there under tools at the bottom where it says screeners, we want to click screeners. And I already have my oversold 16 right there. That's the one we're going to use. But all you have to do is click create new screener at the top. You want to pick the United States or any exchange or sector. We want to usually pick market cap to eliminate any penny stocks. So we're looking at market caps of over $500 million for $0.5 billion. And then all the way up to the top. There we go. Hit done. So when we set the market cap, we're eliminating pretty much all of the penny stocks. We're not worried about the price of these stocks. We're worried about the market cap because penny stocks are anything under $100 million. But we're looking for these large cap companies. And then the financial indicator, we could pick if they want to have dividends, the PE ratio, dividend yield, the ROA. And then when we come down a little bit more to find the oversold stocks, here it goes right here. The RSI 16 oversold and the RSI 24 oversold. We could click any one of those to have our settings, and then you could just click save at the top. But since I already did it, we're going to look at the oversold 16. This is the market cap between $500 million and up all the way up to billions and trillions of dollars. And that's oversold on the 16. So this is all the oversold stocks. There's 231 stocks that are currently oversold. I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean. We're going to click the market cap to go from the highest market cap to the lowest. And right now, just by clicking the market cap, the 3 favorite stocks that I see on here that we're going to talk about and do a technical analysis in this video. So make sure that you stick through the end of the video so you can see the market analysis on this video. I see JD, which is JD.com, DAL, which is Delta Airline. And the last one that we're going to look at is SPCE, Virgin Galactic. So let me show you guys what I mean by when it's oversold. We're going to click on JD and we're going to look at the daily chart. Just like that, JD had an all-time high of $108.29 right there, and it's been selling off. So as you guys can see, when it starts to pull all the way back and it's undervalued right now from its all-time high, it's all the way down to $76.11. When it's pulled back that far, that means it's oversold and this company is probably undervalued. Either some bad news came out or a bad earnings report, and it's been pulling back for the last couple of days. And that is our indication when it's oversold to come in and pick up these stocks while they're on sale. So this is how I've been growing my portfolio. I've been finding stocks that were on sale, aka oversold, picking up a couple of shares at the bottom, and then just swing trading it on the way up and collecting that sweet profit, because it's harder for a company that is at its all-time high to just keep going higher every single day. But it's a little easier for a company that's a pretty good company. That's why I look for large cap companies. It's pretty easier for a solid company that's just had a couple bad weeks of pulling back. It's easier for them to recover 10, 20% in just a few months than a company that is already at its all-time high to keep going up 10, 20%. So that's why I look for these oversold stocks. So let's go ahead and pull up TradingView so I can do these technical analysis on JD, Delta Airlines, and Virgin Galactic. Here we are, YouTube, over on TradingView. This is ticker symbol JD, JD.com. As you guys can see, it's the same thing that you've seen in your Webull trading account and your Webull brokerage account. So we're just going to do a quick market analysis over these three companies. I'm not going to dive in too deep, but right here you guys can see that on the RSI, it is currently oversold and it's approaching a double bottom right here. So we're going to draw two resistance zones right here, well, two support zones right there. So it bounced once right there. We're going to draw a line out right there. And then I see a major support line again right here that it already broke down beneath that major support line right there. And then as you guys can see that we are on a downtrend. So let's draw out this downtrend flag pattern right here. And bam, put it right there. So JD.com is probably going to trade sideways. If it breaks down below this support line right here, and I say it's a support because it has a hard time falling below $79, $77. It bounced right. It traded sideways right here for a long time. Bounced once right here. Went all the way up. Bounced again right here. Went all the way up. Bounced once again. Bounced again. Went all the way back up and bounced again right here. So in this area right here is a major support zone. So if it breaks beneath this support zone, it's probably going to continue to fall. So we want to keep a good eye on this MACD indicator right here. If the signal now cross over and it starts showing some green bars and it breaks above this downtrend resistance line, if it breaks above this line right here, then we can see it pull all the way back up to this zone right in here, somewhere along the green EMA line right there. So around $87-ish. So if we pull out the Fibonacci sequence right quick, let's pull out the Fibonacci retracements, go all the way from the bottom, and we want to pull it all the way up to the top. The bottom we're going to put it at is the last time it was trading sideways for a little bit right here. So it is below the golden zone. And you guys know I like to buy somewhere within the golden zone. It did break below. So what I would do, I will wait until it breaks above, until the MACD starts showing some green bars right here. Let me zoom in just a little bit more. Till the MACD starts showing some green bars right here. I went over the MACD in a video not too long ago. So you guys might want to keep up and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on information on that. I'll wait for it to break above this downtrend line, and then it could put it all the way back up to around $87 once some good momentum start to swing back in JD.com way. So the next one we're going to look at is Delta Airlines. This one is showing sideways trading action right here. It's trading anywhere within this zone. Yeah, it's trading anywhere within this zone right here. Let's go to the top of the wick. I talked about candlesticks in a video not too long ago. Actually, I talked about candlesticks in my last video, so you guys might want to go check that out. So it's going to trade. Let me straighten it up. So it's been inside of this sideways trading channel for a while. It had an all-time high. It had a high of $51.81 not too long ago. It pulled all the way back. It's not quite super oversold yet, but it still could be bought at a pretty decent, reasonable price. Let's pull out the Fibonacci sequence right quick, the Fibonacci retracement. Go all the way from the bottom. Put it all the way up to the top of that wick right there. And bam, it's right there touching almost in the golden zone. If it pulls all the way back to this support line right here or all the way to the 50, then that might actually be a good buy for me. I'll wait for the MACD to cross over, show some green bars. And then Delta Airlines might be a great grab for me at that price point. Delta Airlines do pay a dividend. So this might be a company I'll buy a couple of shares of, maybe 5 to 10 shares just to hold inside my portfolio and not just swing trade it. But I do want to pick up a couple of DAL and add more to my position in my portfolio. So this one has been trading sideways. It has been selling off over the last couple of days. So if it do pull back to the 50, so around $44.80 or to the support zone right here, $45, I might pick up a share right here, and I might pick up 3 shares right here if it do pull back. And then I'll wait for the MACD to cross back over for me to pick up my additional 5 shares. So there'll be around 10 shares of Delta Airlines. And then I'll ride it all the way back up to around $52. So that's my plan on what I'm going to do with Delta Airlines. Could it pull all the way back to the green EMA line? Yeah, but they might meet around the 50, so around $44.80 still. So let's move over to the next one. Ticker symbol SPCE, which is Virgin Galactic. Got to do with aerospace. As you guys can see, this one has been selling off as well. We're just going to straight pull out the Fibonacci sequence on this one. Okay, so you guys can see this one is oversold. This is going to be another one that we have to wait for it to break outside of its downtrend pattern right here. We want to wait on that one to break out of its downtrend pattern and break above this line. See, that's the thing. You have to be patient with these stocks. You don't want to get in too early. The early bird get the worm, but the second mouse get the cheese. You'll get it. But one thing that I do see right here is a good support line. Right here when one's trading sideways, right there, is right back at that level. So it had a hard time breaking below the support line right here that I drew out right here. Had a hard time breaking below what's that $23 and no $22.50. And right now we're right back at the same part, $22.50. So if it breaks below, it's probably going to pull all the way back to this next zone down here, which is going to be the bottom of the Fibonacci sequence, which is $14 if it breaks below. So anywhere from $19 to $14. But if it trades sideways and breaks above this downtrend line and start to trend back upwards when the RSI and the MACD start pointing up, then we can see it pull all the way back to this old resistance zone, which is going to be right here. We want to go off the top of this wick right there and move it on over. So once again, it wicked right there, and then it wicked right here. That's how we know it is a resistance zone. So we could trade anywhere from $22.50 all the way up to $36, and that would be a nice swing trade. So these are the top 3 oversold stocks that I like that I'm going to take a look at next week. And there we go, dreamers. Let me know down in the comment section which one of those 3 are going to be your favorite to keep an eye on this upcoming week. If you want to see more technical analysis like that, go ahead and join the Patreon. That link is down in the comment section. Over there in the Patreon, you'll have access to the Discord, where we have a great group, a great community of very smart individuals over there that can help you out in your investing journey. And also I'll post technical analysis like what I just did in this video over there in the Discord. So if you guys want to be a part of that, that link is down in the comment section. But yeah, guys, before we go, let me know down in the comment section which one of those 3 stocks, or if you have any other stocks that are oversold that you're thinking about swing trading, let me know about that also down in the comment section. And if you want to learn more about technical analysis, go ahead and leave a thumbs up on this video. That's going to let me know that you guys want to learn more about technical analysis, and then I'll make future videos about that in the future. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.